Imagine holding a piece of history in your hands, a sword that whispers tales of ancient battles and forgotten kingdoms. That's exactly what happened in Valencia, Spain, but this sword had a surprising story to tell, one that would rewrite a piece of its city's history. Back in 1994, during an archaeological dig in the heart of Valencia, a sword was unearthed. For decades, it sat in a city depot, catalogued as just another artifact. Based on its hilt, experts initially thought it was a medieval Christian knight sword, maybe from the 14th century, a time of Visigothic rule. It seemed like a straightforward find, another piece of the well-known puzzle of European history. But something about this sword didn't quite add up. It was shorter than the typical longswords of that era, and its blade was uniquely curved. This is where the story gets really interesting. José Miguel Osuna, a researcher from the University of Granada, decided to take a closer look. He wasn't convinced by the original assessment. With a team of experts, he began a meticulous re-examination of this mysterious blade. They studied its shape, its metal composition, and the inscriptions faintly visible on its hilt. What they discovered was a game-changer. The sword was not from the 14th century. It was much, much older. The evidence pointed to the 10th century, a time when Valencia, then known as Valencia, was a flourishing city under Islamic rule during the Caliphate of Córdoba. The blade's unique curve and length were characteristic of Islamic swords from that period, designed for horseback combat. The hilt, originally mistaken for a Christian design, was actually adorned with intricate bronze plates and an inscription. And what did the inscription say? Allahu Akbar, meaning God is great. This was definitive proof. This wasn't a knight's sword. It was the weapon of a warrior from the Islamic Golden Age of Al-Andalus. So, how did a 10th century Islamic sword get misidentified for so long? Well, archaeology is a constantly evolving science. Techniques improve, and new knowledge comes to light. The initial assessment was based on the information available at the time. It took a fresh pair of eyes and modern analytical methods to uncover the sword's true identity. The discovery highlights just how complex and layered history can be. This incredible find is now recognized as the first Islamic period sword from the Caliphate of Córdoba to be discovered in Valencia. It's more than just a weapon. It's a direct link to a vibrant and influential period of the city's past. Valencia was a center of culture, science, and art, and this sword is a tangible reminder of that legacy. It lay hidden underground, just a few inches from a bustling modern street, waiting for its real story to be told. The sword, which measures about 18 inches long, is now being prepared for public display at the Museum of the History of Valencia. Soon, everyone will be able to see this remarkable artifact up close. It's a powerful symbol of how history is never set in stone. Sometimes, a single object can challenge our understanding and reveal a richer, more detailed picture of the world our ancestors lived in. It reminds us that there are still so many secrets buried beneath our feet, waiting to be rediscovered. What an incredible journey for one ancient artifact. From a dusty depot to a star exhibit, this sword has truly found its place in history. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey back in time, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing stories from the past. See you next time.